issues are on our side. Like I said, we've knocked on thousands of doors over the last few months, and everybody talks about our message, which is safety. People want to feel safe in their communities. People want more police officers. People want to feel safe. Affordability. We spend a lot of money to buy our homes. There's no reason why we should be paying more taxes. And we're grateful that under County Executive Blakeman's leadership, the last 4 years, our taxes haven't increased by a single penny. He's held the line on taxes, and we're very, very grateful for that affordability. And the third biggest thing is our suburban quality of life. A lot of us have left the city. We left Brooklyn, we left Queens, we left the Bronx. We came here to Nassau County because we want that suburban quality of life, right? And that's where the Republican Party comes into play. We stand for those values. We stand for your values. And as the county executive said, there are 1.4 million residents in Nassau County. One of the fastest growing populations is the South Asian community. But where's our representation at the government level? We have thrived in every industry, medicine, legal, business, but we have no voice when it comes to the government level. So I'm looking for the opportunity to be your voice. I need your help. I need your help. I need your support. I know you guys have done a lot. You guys have donated generously. And I would like to brag here at County Executive, out of all the legislators running, Democrat or Republican, our team has raised the most amount of money. And that's because I have the support of a great community, I have support of a great party, and I really, really appreciate for that. But look, guys, it's crunch time. I know a lot of you came up to me like, oh, we got to do the victory speech. No, the victory speech is going to happen on November 4th. Right now, what we need to do is we need to knock on more doors. We need to make more phone calls. We need to raise more money. And that's why we gathered all of you here today. Again, I'm asking you, each and every one of you, again, you've done a lot, but please, if you could help me out a little bit more, please. And with your support, there's no doubt that on November 4th, we will elect the first South Asian American legislator in the history of Nassau County, and I will be a partner with the county executive, Bruce Blakeman, to make sure that our neighborhoods are safe, our neighborhoods are affordable, and that we preserve our suburban quality of life. So thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was our next legislator.